Hello and welcome to race 8 of the Nashville Fairground in season number 2. And here today, 4 groups, 38 drivers ready to race here at Nashville. Todd Gilliland starting on pole in the first group. Christopher Bell, our last race winner, has not had the weekend so far he has wanted. Hoping to make that a statement. And yeah, here we go. So, in row number 1 is Todd Gilliland, Daniel Suarez, Corey LaJoy, Kevin Harvick. Row 2 is Brad Keselowski, Ricky Stenhouse, Joey Logano, and Chris Buescher. And in row number 3 is Ryan Blaney and Christopher Bell. We're underway here in Nashville. And Keselowski barely made it to the line there. And sadly, Christopher Bell and Ricky Stenhouse will DNF. And it's going to be Harvick and no, never mind. It's going to be Buescher and Harvick who will advance. Stenhouse 10th, Stenhouse 10th, Bell 9th, Keselowski 8th, LaJoy 7th, Blaney 6th, Todd Gilliland 5th, Suarez 4th, and Logano 3rd. Now we'll move on with race number 2. And it's Denny Hamlin, William Byron. And it's Greg Biffle, BJ McLeod, Noah Gragson, Austin Dillon, Chase Briscoe, and Ty Gibbs. And then Harrison Burton and Kyle Busch. We're underway. Well, Kyle Busch, no, that's not Kyle Busch. Ty Gibbs, loose off the start. His car is tight. So Ty Gibbs, Kyle Busch will DNF. And so Kyle Busch 10th, Ty Gibbs 9th, Harrison Burton 8th, Denny Hamlin 7th, Noah Gragson 6th, BJ McLeod 5th, it's Greg Biffle 4th, Austin Dillon 3rd, and William Byron and Chase Briscoe will be the 2 cars to advance. So we have 3 Fords and 1 Chevrolet so far advanced. 2 of them are from Stewart Haas. So 2 of the Fords are from Stewart Haas. Now we have in Group 3, it's Tyler Reddick, Chase Elliott, Garrett Smithley, and Bubba Wallace, row number 1. Row number 2 is Martin Truex Jr., Eric Almirola, Ryan Preece, and AJ Allmendinger, row number 2. And row number 3 is Ross Chastain. We're underway. And let's see. And Chase Elliott and Tyler Reddick. The cars that started 1-2 will DNF. That is really surprising. I don't think we've ever had that so far. So Reddick 9th, Elliott 8th. There goes the Stewart Haas Ford of Ryan Preece in 7th. Ross Chastain 6th. 5th is Garrett Smithley. 4th is AJ Allmendinger. 3rd is Bubba Wallace. 2nd is Martin Truex, and 1st is Eric Almirola. So 3 of the 4 Stewart Haas Fords will advance. Ryan Preece was the only one who didn't. And what a good day for Stewart Haas. They have 3 of their 4 Fords in. I don't think a Stewart Haas Ford has won this season. Eric Almirola won 4 races in the championship last year, but has yet to win this season. And very surprising out of that Ted camp over there. But maybe Stewart Haas, with 3 of their cars in, maybe they can get a win today. And the Toyota Martin Truex Jr. is a lone soldier as long as William Byron over there. But this segment, not many Fords at all. There's 2 Fords and 7 Chevrolets. The 2 Fords are Austin Cindric, who's starting 2nd, and Michael McDowell, who's starting 7th. Anyways, we're underway here in the final group before the final round here in Nashville. And no DNFs, but it'll be Ty Dillon 9th, Austin Cindric 8th, Eric Jones 7th, Alex Bowman 6th, no, Alex Bowman 5th, it's Kaz Gralla in 6th, Alex Bowman 5th, Justin Haley 4th, and Michael McDowell 3rd. 2nd's Kyle Larson, and Josh Berry will win this segment. This will be the final start for the 88 camp this season. So they're trying to get a win in their final start, because the 15, if the 88 gets any points this race, the 15 will take all those points and all the points that the 88 has gotten this season. So the 15 will be new ride. That'll be your next race, race 9. But anyways, here is your starting lineup. And row number 1, a lot of Fords. It's Chris Buescher, Chase Briscoe, Eric Almirola, and then Josh Berry. Row number 2, it's Kevin Harvick, William Byron, Martin Truex Jr., and Kyle Larson. So it's 4 Fords and 3 Chevrolets and 1 Toyota. We're underway here in the final round here in the Nashville Fairgrounds. Oh, and we have a crash. And William Byron will flip, and that'll not let the 17 of Chris Buescher get across the line. So the 17 of Buescher will not make it. And then it's Briscoe, Larson, Truex, Almirola, Berry, and Harvick. So that's how the second lap will go. Only 6 cars remaining here in the final round here in Nashville. Kevin Harvick, Josh Berry, Eric Almirola, Martin Truex, Kyle Larson, and Chase Briscoe. We're underway. Here we go. Harvick will DNF. He will finish 6th. He'll finish 7th actually. And then it's Larson, who will finish 5th. Briscoe will finish 4th. Berry will finish 3rd. 2nd will be Martin Truex Jr. And getting the first win of the season for Stewart Haas, and the first win of the season, his 5th career win, the Season 1 champion, Eric Amarola, is going to win here in Nashville. Great to see him win again, and we will see you guys next time.